Hi there, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Whether you're working with a modest budget or investing heavily, we find smart, creative ways to make every marketing dollar count. We max it out. This video series is not for marketing pros. It's for small businesses, independent insurance agents, medical clinics, and service-based businesses that need leads, basically, who want to understand the basics, hire the right partners, and start seeing real results. All right, that's who we are. Today, we're diving into something exciting. How to use simple AI prompts to find competitive keywords, improve your website and Google business profile, and boost your local SEO. Okay, we're going to use a pool cleaning company as our practical example, but this applies to any local service business. All right. First, why do keywords matter anyway? Keywords are still how people search for you online. When someone types best pool cleaner near me into Google, Google matches that phrase with websites and business profiles that use it clearly and naturally. So if your site or Google business profile isn't using the right keywords, your competitors are getting the calls you should be getting. Make no mistake. So how do you find the keywords using AI? You don't need expensive tools, although some marketing agencies, we have a few expensive tools because we like them, but AI tools like ChatGPT can do this easily for you if you're just trying to do some things on your own. So you could make a list of keywords. All of us have done that a time or two, but here's a simple AI prompt you can type into ChatGPT right now, okay? I'm a pool cleaning company in Tampa, Florida. Give me 10 competitive keywords local customers would search for on Google. ChatGPT will instantly give you a list. You might see pool cleaning Tampa, pool services near me, weekly pool maintenance, pool algae removal, affordable pool cleaning services, and so on. You can literally copy these right from ChatGPT's response. It's pretty cool. And a pro tip, ask AI to provide long tail keywords too, which are longer phrases like how to remove green algae from my pool. These often have less competition, but still attract customers. So how do you put these keywords to work? Now that you've got your keywords, here's exactly how to use them effectively. On your website, include these phrases naturally in headlines, service descriptions, and FAQs. And if you haven't touched your website for a while and you're working with a website developer, they'll know exactly what you're talking about if you want to give them this list. Most website developers will do a certain amount of work for you. I think the industry standard is like 30 minutes a month as part of your subscription. But that's something that you can do. Make sure you get them this list or have them do it for you. Sometimes they will do it for you. Even better, right? So you don't have to do it. You can delegate it to somebody you're already paying money to every month. So that makes a lot of sense. Make sure your main keyword, like pool cleaning Tampa, appears in your page title and H1 header. Okay, so that's a big deal right there. And page title and H1 header, you can also Google or ChatGPT that to give you an explanation. What is that? Page title and H1 header. All right. Also, your Google business profile, use these keywords when writing service descriptions. Okay, so you have categories. I believe you can have 10 categories in your Google business profile. But I don't know about a limit on your service descriptions. So why would you not want to have as many service descriptions with keywords as you could? That's something you need to ask yourself, especially if you're doing it yourself, right? Remember to regularly upload new photos with descriptive captions using your keywords as well. So why does this work? Well, here's some quick stats. 92% of all web experiences start with search engines, basically Google, okay? 46% of Google searches are specifically for local services. So almost half are for local services. Businesses in Google's top local results get more than 30% of the clicks from local searches. Using AI-generated keywords strategically boosts your chances of showing up first, getting more clicks, calls, sales, etc. So here's a quick recap. What to do next. Number one, use AI prompts to find local keywords in seconds. I was going to say minutes, but seconds. Put keywords naturally into your website and Google business profile. Start ranking higher locally, getting more customers and seeing better results. AI doesn't replace marketing know-how, but it can seriously level up your DIY marketing efforts. And I know that the key to this stuff, you can watch videos all day long, but it's action. Okay. If you can't bake this into your schedule and do it yourself, you need to have somebody do it. So you're either hiring a digital marketing partner or you're hiring a person to help you on your team. So either way, one of those three options, you, a digital marketing partner, or somebody that you hire, someone has to do this. And the time to start is right now because SEO still very much matters. It really does. If this helped you, hit subscribe. There's plenty more practical, actionable marketing help coming your way. I'm Max from Max Out Creative, making every marketing dollar count.